Namba ya Mbeu njithiire mari na murimu wa mukingo kaunti-ini ya Kiambu ni ongererekete muno. Undu uria ni ugwati makinya ma naihenya mangia gutacukio na kuhurana na gutherema kwa murimu uyu. Hindi igongona ria gukungwira muthe wa mukingo mwena wa RIRI kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, anyiti itemi matongoretio ni ndagitari Hilary Kaguna Muru na Helen Ndungu maugite kuongerereka kwa namba ya arwaru ni ugwati uria urabatara gwetherwo kihonia gia gutura.
We have made significant strides in eliminating new infections and also caring for those who are infected with HIV. With a population of more than 2.9 million people, we have a prevalence of HIV of 2.1. That is commendable because it is below the national prevalence of 3.3. That translates to around 54,000 people living with HIV in Kiambu County. And we want to say we have more than 116 health facilities offering HIV services in terms of prevention, treatment and even care.
Maya mokete recession cia guthima na kurigitira Mbeu njithi murimu ucio ithiite na mbere na guthondekwo kaunti-ini ino ari ikinya ria mbere ria kuhurana na gutherema kwa murimu wa mukingo gatagati ka Mbeu njithi.
Ni turenda kwariria Mbeu njithi na nige aria muno turona infection nyingi ni ironekana gatagati kao mahote gutuika a kwigitira mahote gukorwo na mena mienendo ya eta gutuma magie na manyitwo ni murimu na aria mangikorwo ni manyititwo ni murimu ri matuike a go seek services in our facilities.
Tuna services cia kuover HIV prevention, treatment and care even for the patient na ginya family yake, na ni turahuthira aria maretwo community health promoters ginya gukinyira andu ya micii yao kumubatarira mabatarire dawa na pia kupass information kuri community ati murimu wa AD it is preventable, you can prevent yourself and those na me naguo ti muico wa muturire. Twina dawa, twina aruti a wira a health aria makuma counseling na ginya mental health, na niturahuthira ginya community health promoters guthi micii yao na kumariria na ginya kumempower economically na financially nigetha andu maikare maica maria magiriire.
Thirikari ya Kiambu ikungwira muthio na kwiranira kugacirithia motungata ma urigiti na njira ya guka thibitari hakuhi na muingi niguo gutigirira arwaru matirathie ng'endo ndaya. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Mathew Ndungu wa Mbugua.